Let's learn our ABCs today.
Let's learn together. A is A for apple, red and round. B is B for ball, we bounce it on the ground. C is C for cat, meow meow sound. D is D for dog, running all around. Come on kids, let's sing and play. We'll learn our letters every day. A to Z, hooray, hooray. Let's learn the alphabet. Hip, hip, hooray. E is E for elephant, big and strong. F is F for fish, swimming along. G is G for giraffe, tall and sweet. H is H for hat, sitting on your head neat. Come on kids, let's sing and play. We'll learn our letters every day. A to Z, hooray, hooray. Let's learn the alphabet. Hip, hip, hooray. I is I for ice, so cool and nice. J is J for juice, orange slice. K is K for kite, flying high. L is L for lion, with a roar in the sky. M is M for monkey, swinging free. N is N for nest, up in a tree. O is O for orange, juicy treat. P is P for penguin, tapping its feet. Q is Q for queen, wearing her crown. R is R for rabbit, hopping around. S is S for sun, shining bright. T is T for train, chugging with delight. U is U for umbrella, keeping dry. V is V for violin, let's give it a try. W is for U for whale, big and blue. S is X for Zalava, music for you. Y is Y for yak, with furry hair. Z is Z for zebra, stripes everywhere, yeah. Come on kids, we did it today. We learned our letters, hip hip hooray. A to Z, we shout and say, alphabet time. Hooray, hooray. We love to learn.